Today we're going to be learning about the absolute value of a number. The absolute value of a number is the distance it is away from zero. So in this example, look at the green dot. It's at -3, which is 3 places away from zero. If we look at the red dot, it's at 4, so it is 4 places away from zero. You may have noticed the different notation around these numbers. So let's look at these examples. The 2 vertical bars around the number indicate that you are looking for the absolute value of that number. So no matter the number between those vertical bars, you'll be looking for how far it is away from zero. When you have a problem in absolute value, your answer will absolutely be positive. Let's take a look at some real-life examples. First off is debt. In this example, let's say we have a total balance of -$4.25. This means that we're $4.25 in debt. So if we're asked the absolute value of our account, we will always give the answer in amount of debt. So in this example, we're $4.25 away from having zero debt at all. Now let's take a look at depth underwater. Say for example, you're in a submarine and it's at 9.5 feet underwater. If we take the absolute value of this number, we get how far away from sea level the submarine actually is. So the absolute value is 9.5 feet. And we can say the submarine is 9.5 feet below sea level. Lastly, let's take a look at football. Say the quarterback is sacked for a 5 3/4 yard loss. That means you're 5.75 yards away from your starting point. So if we take the absolute value of that, we get a 5.75 yard loss. And here's a little reminder to help you remember absolute value.
Then you're just going to love absolute value. All this guy does is take negatives and turn them into positives. Of course, he also takes positives and keeps them positive. We're talking a lot of positivity. Absolute value determines how many spots away a number is from zero on the number line.